Our ResQube application is a comprehensive solution designed to address the challenge of integrating and coordinating various rescue agencies, including government organizations, non-government organizations, religious organizations, NSS, NCC, and volunteers in disaster recovery efforts. Users can easily find the nearest help using our smart filtering system or our AI-powered chatbot, which is available in 10 different languages, making it accessible to users worldwide. With a smart chatbot, users can easily obtain assistance. The user's location is automatically detected, allowing them to be redirected to the nearest resource availability page swiftly. Additionally, users can report a disaster quickly with the help of our smartbot. We have a mechanism to generate consent reports, and users can also include images related to the disaster for more detailed information. Furthermore, our chatbot supports multiple languages, breaking down language barriers and ensuring that users can easily access our services. Count on us for prompt and efficient help in times of need. Additionally, users can visualize all available rescue agencies by selecting a specific disaster category. On the resource availability page, users can effortlessly identify the resources offered by each agency. When selecting a particular agency, users can access their contact details and even navigate to their location through the built-in map feature. To recognize excellence in disaster recovery efforts, we have implemented a rewards point system for the top 10 rescue agencies. We have also introduced a drone force assistant feature, allowing volunteers to join our team and support rescue agencies in disaster recovery operations using their drones. Our application provides real-time updates on disaster-related news articles to keep users informed. Agencies and volunteers can easily register or log in into our system by providing the necessary details. They can then update their resource availability in real time. Agencies can create alerts to request or donate resources from other agencies and communicate seamlessly through our integrated messaging system. Furthermore, agencies can locate the nearest available drones and request assistance from the drone force for rescue operations. We value user feedback and have a dedicated mechanism for users to provide valuable input for continuous improvement. Overall, ResQube is a powerful tool that streamlines disaster recovery efforts, facilitates communication and resource sharing among agencies, and ensures users can quickly access the help they need during emergencies.